Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam. Right, so a lot of things are going on with this Huggle X token, and if you haven't grabbed some, please do make sure you get some Huggle X token. It's currently trading for $4 at $4, and let's see where the exchanges where it is listed. It's on PancakeSwap. It's on $0.7 on PancakeSwap and $4 on IndoX, but this is the easiest way to get it. IndoX, I'm going to drop the link in this description, or you just search for IndoX. Okay, I think I have the IndoX open here. So this is the IndoX, so IndoX.io, yeah, and this is the Huggle X coin. Please do make sure you get some for yourself for long term. All right, so this is the state of the market, right? So let's open BTC and see. So Bitcoin, the bottom has been 29,30,000. If you've been following our channel, we talked about that support a long time ago, and we touched the support once here and twice, and almost did the same thing here. But at that, we're going to touch this support up to 4 times, right? The market has been going sideways. We should be at $100,000 anytime soon. So taking a look at other markets, other coins rather. So Ethereum is over $2,000, and Binance Coin is struggling below $300, and Polkadot and the rest, they're all recovering though. Anyways, let's move into some crypto news. So George Soros investment fund is reportedly trading Bitcoin. In addition to trading crypto, Soros Fund Management is said to be discussing to acquire blockchain-focused firms. Now, it's good to pay important attention to what these rich guys are doing around the world, because they are buying up crypto. Not only are they buying up crypto, they are buying up crypto companies and blockchain companies. This is how the rich keep being rich, because they move in early, they get a large chunk of the whole ecosystem before it blows up. The market has stumbled. See, the market has stumbled, and now that the market has crashed, this is when these guys are making moves. But guess what? The poor guys do the reverse. When the market dumps, they sell off, and then they leave crypto entirely. That's my phone, sorry about that. So moving on to some other news. Russia Central Bank to study crypto investments risks. This is a very fallacious news, because these guys are actually not. How would you be studying the risks of crypto investment? Why are these guys not studying the risks of gambling? Because people do gamble with their money, right? So if they care about you so much, they would have been studying stuff like that, right? So this is just a green light that they want to go into cryptocurrency, but they want to make sure that they have amassed enough for themselves, before they start telling the people to buy. Anyways, some more important news. CoinMarketCap launches Ethereum token swaps powered by Uniswap. This is huge news for Binance, not CoinMarketCap, because Binance, look at it, Binance owns CoinMarketCap, so it's just another way for Binance to make money. And Binance is going to be worth trillions of dollars in some years to come, because they've done a lot of work in terms of producing tools that are easy for people to use, and also acquiring some great crypto startups such as CoinMarketCap. So if you use CoinMarketCap, you can easily swap your token using Uniswap. Some more news about HSBC. HSBC becomes the first foreign entity onboarded to Dubai's KYC blockchain. I love what Dubai is doing. I love how they are paying attention to cryptocurrency and blockchain. But let's read a quote here. The UAE KYC blockchain platform has transformed the investor bank account journey to significantly reducing the time it takes to establish relationship between banks. This will positively improve UAE's ranking in the global ease of doing business. That is why a lot of people have been trying to move over to UAE, because it's a blockchain and cryptocurrency friendly nation, and they are really giving breathing room for cryptocurrency and blockchain startups. And if you want to look for a way to process your way into Dubai, we just contact me and we'll be able to help you run that, do your registration in Dubai and all, and also help you get an apartment in Dubai also. All right, so Senator Cynthia Loomis backs crypto for US retirement plans. This is great, and like I said before, these guys keep doing all these things. Why the poorer countries keep banning, like Nigeria, they try to ban crypto, right? But this is some massive news right here, where retirees can actually put Bitcoin into their portfolio. That's some good news. Right, so Formula One secures multi-million crypto sponsorship deal. I think it was a few weeks ago where we saw Dodge sports car and Bitcoin sponsored sport car. So it's going to be the trend. Even FTX, I think there was a time where FTX, I think that was this year, when FTX was it bought, or I think they acquired a football stadium. I can't really remember the news, but this is some massive news. And if you need news to prove to you that crypto is not going anywhere anytime soon, this is one of them. There are now twice as many 2001 Bitcoin deaths compared to 2020s. Okay, just in case you don't know what this is, Bitcoin deaths is just the number of times, as you can see, is a quote, is the number of times where rich people around the world pronounce Bitcoin as dead, right? So the number of times that rich people in the world and maybe governments have pronounced Bitcoin as dead in 2021 is higher than 2020. That also means that Bitcoin is getting a lot of attention, which is also good for Bitcoin's growth, right? All right, some other news. BlockFi Rates cut on Bitcoin deposits leaves rivals scratching heads. So in case you don't know what BlockFi is a platform that gives you rewards for keeping your Bitcoin on their platform. So they're offering to give up to 4% APY. They had to reduce it from 5% to 4% APY. And I don't work with BlockFi, but I can certainly understand what is going on. So personally, I manage funds for some people, and I know the headache that comes with trying to manage funds for people, but it's all good. That is the BlockFi news. And just in case you don't understand what the APY means, okay, let me just briefly explain. So this means if you have up to one, if you have, okay, this is tier 1 up to 0.5, 0.25, tier 3, 5 BTC and upwards. So if you have 5 BTC with these guys, they'll be willing to give you 5% of your 5 BTC in a year. That's what it means. Well, just another way to increase your Bitcoin. So Coinbase will launch AppleLike crypto app store. This is one of the biggest news ever, because the Play stores we have, or the app stores we have for Android and iOS, are really centralized, and they are owned by companies that are not yet supporting cryptocurrency and blockchain. So it's going to be a big move if Coinbase launches something like this. But the problem is that if Coinbase launches something like this, it's going to be subject to their own rules. But personally, I think it's a good idea. Right, let's move a little bit from Apple and the rest. So Beijing and Suzhou railways now accept digital yuan payment ride fares. So I was talking to some group of people. Was it yesterday or the day before yesterday? I was telling them how the days of how I posted something in 2019, several years ago, telling people that the days of paper money are gone, and we are seeing that from Beijing right here. And in the next couple of months or couple of years, right, it's going to move over. It's 8 o'clock. Yo, sorry, that's my alarm. It's going to move over to Africa, where there will be no more paper money around. So if you have some paper money, please do make sure you keep some so your kids can see how paper money was. Okay. All right. So World Wide Web inventor Tim Berners-Lee sells NFT for $5.4 million. Now, guys, NFT has been shaking up lately, and I know a lot of NFT cryptocurrency have actually lost value, but I think that's just the popping of the bubble. It's going to get real big. Right. So Tim, this is a big news. This is a big news right here. I'm not going to read it, but that is NFT. So if you're into arts or you don't know much about NFT, please do make sure you come into NFT, right? And I'm going to do another video talking about NFT real soon. So I also have another NFT news, which is NFT marketplace backed by Mark Cuban raises $13 million. So this news came about 9 hours ago, and here's the question I asked for you: if someone raises money to build an NFT platform, do you think they would want to market the platform so NFT becomes more popular and bigger? The answer is yes. So NFT is just getting started, and it's going to get really big. And like I said, I'm going to do an NFT video to get real quick updates on when the video is out. Please do make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video so you can get it timely. All right, see ya.